Most people think a Brazilian wax has to be a nightmare of pain and sticky messes. But after years of professional experience, I can tell you, it's usually the technique that hurts, not the wax. I'll even show you exactly what to do if the wax gets stuck. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get that smooth salon finish without the usual redness or fear. You can't build a house on sand, and you can't wax dry, unprepped skin. Here is your checklist. The hair needs to be the length of a grain of rice. Too short, it won't grab. Too long, it pulls. We start by removing oils and lotions so the wax adheres to the hair, not the moisture. A light dusting of powder creates a barrier that protects the skin while letting the wax grab. The biggest mistake beginners make is temperature. If it's like water, it's too hot and will burn. If it's like a thick paste, it will pull the skin. You want it to move like warm honey. I'll show you the twirl method to keep the wax on your spatula without it dripping everywhere. Now that you have the wax controlled, let's talk about where to put it using the 3-zone method. Apply with the direction of hair growth. Press firmly. This is the safety press. Pressing helps the wax wrap around every single hair for a cleaner pull the first time. To manage the sensation, breathe out, and pull the skin taut with your other hand. Pull back fast and parallel to the skin. Never pull up, that is how you get bruising. Now we adjust the body position slightly to reach the harder to reach areas of the other zones. What happens if the wax gets stuck? Don't panic and definitely do not scrub at it. Apply a little bit of oil or even a fresh layer of wax over it to flick it off easily. My secret: applying immediate pressure after the pull to confuse the nerves and stop the sting. Your job isn't done when the hair is gone. To prevent red bumps, follow these rules. No hot showers, gyms, or tight clothing for at least 24 hours while the follicles are open. Use a gentle, soothing aloe-based product to keep the follicle clear and the skin calm. If you followed these steps, you've just performed a professional-grade wax. You've got this. If this helped you feel more confident, hit that subscribe button and join our MTH Health community. Let me know in the comments, what was your biggest aha moment from today's video?